Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us see the plan of action on Nifty, Bank Nifty and some 5 best intraday stocks to trade on 17th November to generate some profit. If there is any change in the levels or any nice setup or pattern forms in the live market, I will update in my Telegram channel as well as in my WhatsApp. The link is given in my description, so join using that link. And those who like to join in my premium intraday group that is in WhatsApp, they too could join by sending me a text message to the number 90030180028. For this you have to pay a small fees of around 2500 per month, which you could earn in a day itself. The accuracy level is 70 to 80%, so those who are really interested, they can just join by sending me a text message. Now let us see the plan of action on index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then we will discuss in detail on some stocks. In my previous video, I told you to buy Nifty after breaking 19680 level and selling below 19640 level. And if you see what happened yesterday, Nifty didn't break 19680 and formed any positive candle here. And here in the downside, Nifty broken 19640 but did not break negative candle after breaking this 19640 level. Here you can see here. So there is no possibilities of selling in this level. So you have to be very careful when I give you the calls. And see what happened the next candle. Nifty broken 19680 level and then it formed a positive candle. So now you can buy Nifty. The same way Nifty has to break 19640 and should make a negative candle breaking this 19640. Be careful, not the wick. It has to close. Then you can sell once if this candle breaks, this negative candle breaks this low, then you can sell. The same way buying also. So 700, it has broken 19680 and made a high 1970. So you can mark this part and then after breaking this high you can buy. So that's what happened in Nifty. And I marked yesterday itself strong resistance level for Nifty is this range. Let me show it. If you see in the past, so Nifty had a gap here. You can see Nifty couldn't able to fill this gap, but it tried to reach this gap multiple times. So this is very strong resistance. This gap you can consider as a strong resistance zone or supply zone in Nifty. So that's what happened here today also. It filled the gap and then you saw a very big selling pressure in Nifty. Now let us see what will happen today. So Nifty, very strong support is 19680 level, and this will be a, that is 19880. That will be a strong resistance for today, 19880 level. So today these are the two important points you have to watch in the market. Let me remove this one. So let us assume that if Nifty opens flat and comes near this trend line for the past 2 days, Nifty was trading respecting this trend line, and as well as you have a horizontal support level also at 19,680. So if Nifty comes near this trend line as well as this horizontal support level, and here if you see any positive candle formed, you can buy Nifty. So in this level, if you find any positive candle like double bottom breakout or inverse head and shoulder breakout in lower time frame, again you can buy, keeping some 30 to 40 points or 30 to 35 points to plus. Target will be 35 to 40, and the second target will be 45 to 50. So these are the two target in Nifty. If any any positive candle or positive pattern formed in this support trend line as well as this horizontal support line. This is one scenario in Nifty. And the second is, suppose assume that if Nifty opens flat and then comes and breaks this level, then you can sell Nifty. If any negative candle formed after breaking 19,680 level, keep 30 to 35 points as a stop loss. Initial target will be some 19,645 level, some 35 to 40 points, and ultimate target will be some 19 this level, that is 19,555. So this is another trend line which Nifty respects. So it has to come till here if Nifty made any negative candle breaking 19,680 level. Suppose assume that if Nifty open gap down near this level, so you have to wait for a pullback, and here any negative candle formed, again you can sell Nifty. And aggressive buying is only above 19,880 level. As I told you before, that it's a very, very strong resistance level is 19,880 level. So I hope you understood the Nifty. Now let us see Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, I told you Bank Nifty to buy above 44 to 65 level, but here it didn't break 44 to 65 level, and I told you to sell below 44 some 160 level. Yes, 44 165 level I told you to sell. But if you see what happened, it is broken 165 and made low 144, but this candle did not close after breaking 44 165. So I told you, once if Bank Nifty breaks 44 160 level and closes below that 165, forming a negative candle. But here it formed a negative candle, but it did not close below 44 165 level. And where it broke 265 level, here it is broken 265 level, and it closed above 265 level. So here buy was activated. So from there you can see what happened if you extend this. It made a high around some 44 420 level, something like that. Yes. 44 420 level. So like that you have to plot it from your side in the chart, and then you have to trade. So tomorrow strong resistance for Bank Nifty is 44,460, and a very strong support is 44,60 is very strong support in Bank Nifty. So as I told you, 365 as well as 500, but it went high around some 420 level, almost our first target done in Bank Nifty. So let us see the plan of action for tomorrow. So this is the Bank Nifty, very strong support level. Assume that Bank Nifty opened flat, and then if it breaks this as well as this level and formed a negative candle after breaking 44.60, then you can sell Bank Nifty. If it form any negative candle breaking 44.60, and then the following candle, if it breaks the previous candle low, you sell. Keep stop loss some 70 to 80 or 80 to 90 points. Initial target will be 100, that is 43,950, and ultimate target will be 43,800 level. Or you can even aim for this also, that is 44,500, 600 levels, 680 level. So this is if Bank Nifty breaks this. And another thing is, suppose assume that in this 44, this support level, any positive candle formed in Bank Nifty, especially in the lower time frame, then again you can buy Bank Nifty, keeping some 70 to 80 point stop loss. Target will be some 100 points initial target, and ultimate target is, the second target is 150. So in total 250 points in Bank Nifty if Bank Nifty form any positive candle near this support level. So I hope you understood Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us see some stocks for tomorrow. Aggressive buying in Bank Nifty is only above this level, that is around some 44, 420, 430 level. Only aggressive buying. So the first stock is SBI card. If you see SBI card, here you can see it formed a very superb trend line in SBI card, as I touched this multiple times yesterday also, but it couldn't break and form any positive candle above this trend line. And here you can see a minor horizontal resistance level also. So once today, if SBI card breaks this level, you can buy SBI card. Buy above 776, stop loss 768, target 781, 786 and 795. So plan these three, keeping 768 as a stop loss, and buy SBI card. Now let us see the next stock, that is Tata Communication. If you see Tata Communication, it formed a type of hole and flag pattern, and here this stock was trading in this range more than some 6 to 7 days. And here you can see it formed a type of, and here you can see a very superb trend line also is there, as well as a horizontal resistance level also is there. So once if this stock breaks this resistance as well as this trend line, you can buy Tata Com. Buy above 1726, stop loss 1710, target 1734, 1744 and 1765. Now let us see the next stock, that is EU Small Bank. If you see EU Small Bank, the stock was formed a very superb trend line, as well as the stock, small resistance level also formed here, horizontal resistance level. So today, if the stock breaks these two levels, you can buy EU Small Bank. So buy above 733, stop loss 727, target 737, 740 and 745. So buy the stock keeping 727 as a stop loss. Now let us see the next stock, that is Adani Enterprises. If you see Adani Enterprises, the strong support for Adani is this zone, very strong support level. And today, if the stock breaks this support level, more selling pressure will come in Adani Enterprises. As you can see, it touched multiple times, but the stock wasn't able to break and form any negative candle, breaking this support level. So today, if this stock breaks this level, we can see more pressure in the stock. So sell below 2,200, stop loss 22.18, target 21.88, 21.75 and 21.60. Plan these three targets, keeping stop loss 2218 and sell Adani. Now let us see the next stock, that is Axis Bank. If you see Axis Bank, the stock also, formed a very good trend line, support trend line, and the stock is respecting this trend line for more than, a month, more than a month. So multiple times the stock touched this resistance level, and again today the stock came into that same resistance, that is support trend line level. And here you can see a horizontal support level also. So today, if the stock breaks this trend line as well as this horizontal support level, you can sell Axis Bank. Sell below 1022, stop loss 1030, target 1060, 1010 and 1000. Plan these three targets, keeping 1030 as a stop loss and sell Axis Bank. I hope you understood the Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks. Now let us see what happened, the calls which I gave you yesterday. And jackpot call which I gave yesterday is Hero MotoCorp. As you can see, after breaking this level, I told you to buy Hero MotoCorp 3180 and see what happened. It made a high around some 3299, almost some more than 100 points. That is 110 points in a single day. Jackpot profit made in yesterday's video. So those who followed or those who bought or did a very good profit, you can comment in this. And the second stock I gave yesterday is GNFC. I told you simply after breaking 710, you just go for a buy and see what happened after breaking. Immediately it made a high around 720 level. So the first target almost dead. 770 is the first target and it made a high around 720, some 10 points in GNFC. Then the next I gave you Havels, and simply I told you buy Havels after breaking 1270. So after breaking 1270, you just see what happened. It made a high around some 1282 level. So our first target also did in Havels, and the second is 1285, but it made a high around some 1282. After that market, in the last minute, it made a crash, and the stock did not go the second time. So this also, it made around some 12 points yesterday. And the next stock I gave is United Spirit. So this stock also I told you just simply sell after breaking 1040. So what happened is the stock in 13 minutes itself it made a low around some 1027. So almost some 13 points. Once if you sell near 1040 or 1038 or 1035 also, you would have easily get some 10 points in this United Spirit. So this also made our first target 1032, second target is 1025, but it made low around 1057. And the next stock I gave you is MFSL. So MFSL, I have to see that it was stop loss was hitting MFSL. So this is the stock which made a loss for us in yesterday's call. So I hope you like my video content. If you really want to support, encourage and motivate me, all you have to do is just hit the like button, give a thumbs up to this video content so that I can upload more this kind of educational video every day for you. Share this video content with your trading friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.